process of planting new ones here. The white golf ball shaped structures ahead and to the left, part of a radar facility operated by the U.S. Navy. On top of the hill to the right, we have some equipment operated by NASA. There's a geophysics observatory on Kauai. It's a little different than an observatory with a telescope. Here they're tracking satellites in orbit. Oh, you're fine. You're good like that. Had to arm our fancy float system. We'll come offshore over the ocean here out on the pretty western side of Kauai, the Poly Coast.
And the dream that you did to Kauai, oh why can't I? Well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
There's a pretty good hike out here called Nuololo that runs along the trail line in front of us.
I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by.
Welcome to the Nepali coast, the very pretty western side of Kauai. Coral reefs down to the left. They're doing a guided snorkel trip today. There's no roads to this side of Kauai. You can come to the Nepali by helicopter, you can come by boat, you can hike out here. It's pretty difficult hiking. It's an 11-mile hike to reach the beaches. Love the color of the water out here. It's a perfect Windex blue. Because one of the nice things about Hawaii is the water's always about 85 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's always nice and warm. Beach and Valley on the right, Kauai Beach and Valley on the left. The cathedral's in front of us, beautiful rock formation. A whole bunch of kayaks on Kauai Beach today. See the white birds flying around this side of the island. They're long-tailed white tropic birds that nest high on the sea cliffs. Across Kauai Valley underneath us now, we'll bring you down to a waterfall called Hanakoa. Come down another couple miles on the coast and I want to show you Hanakoa Falls. Just about 1,200 feet tall. I like the waterfalls going up into the clouds. Falls to the right, 1,200 feet tall. Swinging on the left here in just a moment. Out here just a moment. Mountain out in front of us, Bali High, has three little points on it. One's winds are out of the northeast. They come over Bali High and give us these little bumps and wiggles. Come past the corner, come past Bali High, we'll make another turn, let you get pictures all the way down to Nepali. Beach down to the right, curves around the corner. That's where the road ends on the north shore of Kauai. We don't have a single road that goes all the way around the island. The tunnels reef ahead to the right with the white horseshoe shape. I'm swinging on the left here in just a moment. Around to the left, you get pictures all the way down to Nepali. Kauai Falls out to the left, at the very back of the valley. KA Beach Town to the left, curves around the corner. Tunnels Reef out to the left with the white horseshoe shape. Down the coast here another couple miles and bring you guys back into the interior. That's my favorite side of Kauai. I love the North Shore. I'm on the east side, which is nice and convenient to work. I'm going to spend a lot of my days off up here on the north side. Wintertime, you get good waves for surfing and boogie boarding, and summertime it's pretty calm, so better for snorkeling and swimming.